Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. The Black Ghost is a blacked out car with just the right amount of chrome to show that it means business. You're going to get things like the fuel door, hood pins, badging on the front, the rear, the sides, and chrome trim inside and around the outside of the vehicle that are really going to give it a nice touch of class and show that power off. One of the great features of this racing machine are the 20x11 satin carbon warp speed wheels. They're going to be wrapped with Pirelli Z-rated racing tires. The braking system is an SRT Brembo braking system, black painted 6-piston calipers, 2-piece slotted rotors. Stop this thing on a dime. As we remove these functioning hood pins, you're going to find a nice 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8. It's backed up by a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission. Everything is channeled through a 3.09 to 1 rear end. That propels this vehicle down the track at 11.8 seconds at 124 miles an hour, 3.9 seconds 0 to 60. All this is wrapped up with 807 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque, making this one of the most powerful and fastest production cars ever made. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.